Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
It is Dan and Fiona here, and welcome to another episode.
What's my real name?
Fiona. Isn't it? Mm-hmm. Do you have a problem with family members like this filling up the bathtub with hot water, and then when you go to shower, there's no hot water left? You would never do that, would you?
No.
No. Today, we're going to be showing you how to install a thermostatic mixing valve. So what exactly is a thermostatic mixing valve? Well, it's this right here. It takes the hot water coming from your hot water heater and mixes in just enough cold water to make sure the mixed water coming out is always a safe temperature. Ideally, the temperature of the water coming out of your hot water heater should never be more than about 120 to 122 degrees. That's the highest temperature that's safe. But if your tank isn't large enough to supply enough hot water for your entire family, you have a couple of options. One is installing a larger hot water heater, which can be very expensive. The other is putting in one of these thermostatic mixing valves. That allows you to turn the temperature up on your hot water heater, but ensure that the water coming out is never more than about 120 degrees. Okay, before you get started, a couple of safety precautions. Of course, make sure you turn off your water. If you have an electric hot water heater, make sure you turn off the breaker to your hot water heater. And if you have a gas hot water heater, make sure you turn off the gas. Okay, so this is where the hot water comes out. It flows into the mixing valve here, and then we'll be hooking up another hose here. This one that comes from the cold water, which is this pipe right here, and then hooks into the mixing valve. And so the mixing valve, if the hot water coming out of the tank is hotter than what it's set to, then it allows a little bit of cold water from this hose to come in. And so the water coming out of here and going into your house is always less than or equal to the temperature that the mixing valve is set at. Okay, everything nice and snug. Doesn't need to be cranked down too tight though. Just okay, that is it. We can now turn the water back on and turn the hot water heater back on, and we should be good. From the factory, this mixing valve is set to, I think it was 125 degrees Fahrenheit. So I think I'm gonna leave it at that. All right, so there you have it. That took like 15 minutes.
And dress out like Little Mermaid.
And I'm gonna dress up like Little Mermaid?
No. Little Mermaid is a girl.
Oh, well that's what I thought. That's why I was asking, because that would be kind of weird.
Well, you're dressing up like Gigi Catnip for Halloween.
Okay, all right. That sounds like a good plan.
And
Okay, I'm gonna go...
Baby Box for Halloween.
Okay.
Mine's dressing up like Mohawks for Halloween.
Yep, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'm going to enjoy not having to worry about running out of hot water. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll catch you on another episode very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Are you taking a shower right now?
Right now, I'm taking a shower, yes.
Why I want to take a bath.
Well, maybe we can do that. But I'm going to take a shower, because I got all gross working on that.
I want to, you got all sweat.
Yeah, that's why I need a shower.
And I got sweat on me too.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Because I was putting out here.
Okay, all right. Well, let's say bye.
Bye, camera.
Bye. We'll catch you on another episode very soon.
And why does she don't have a braid in her hair?
Well, I don't know, but
You have a cut on your hand.
Yep, okay. All right, thank you. Bye.
You have a... Bye.
You cutie. Thank you.